Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers, according to the latest reports from the Amhara region, heavy fighting between the Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies and Tigray Defense Force continues in the surrounding areas of Valdia and Marsa. Viewers, Tigray Defense Force is claiming that Tigray Defense Force has taken control of several areas after heavy fighting and said that Imbasal and its surrounding areas are now under the control of Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, but according to reports, heavy war is still going on along these areas. As I have already informed you that, if you remember, Tigray Defense Force is very strong on A2 highway or on Valdia Desi front, and Tigray Defense Force soldiers are not giving any chance to Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies to cut off the Tigray Defense Force supply line toward Desi in any way. While Valdia and Marsa have only one side which is unsafe, and on the same side heavy fighting is going on between Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, and almost 2 days ago, Tigray Defense Force claimed that Tigray Defense Force had gained full control over Hara Gebia, and because of this side of Valdia and Marsa was also saved. But now one side is unsafe and heavy fighting is going on there. Viewers, Ethiopian National Defense Force and its soldiers, its allied soldiers, appear to be failing to stop Tigray Defense Force on the Desi front. And now the biggest effort of Ethiopian National Defense Force is to get control at any location on A2 highway as soon as possible and stop the Tigray Defense Force soldiers who are close to getting control of the Desi, due to which furious fighting is going on between Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force around the areas of Valdia and Marsa on A2 highway. Viewers, on the other hand, I have also informed you yesterday that heavy fighting is going on B22 highway, and in these places heavy weapons are being used from both sides. Viewers, it was claimed by Tigray Defense Force that Tigray Defense Force soldiers have been able to enter several important places, and still heavy war is underway. Tigray Defense Force has said that Tigray Defense Force soldiers are carrying out heavy attacks from various locations on Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies on B-22 highway. While a statement from the Ethiopian National Defense Force said that heavy fighting is going on in several areas on B-22, especially in Ghent, and Ethiopian National Defense Force is defending itself against the attacks of Tigray Defense Force. So viewers, so far this is the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.